everybody, it's your host Mr. Master, and today I'm back with a new amazing video once again, guys. So recently Instagram has of course rolled up Instagram screenshot notification feature, in which whenever you try to screenshot any of your friend's story, of course it gives them some notification. So of course I really don't know I have updated my Instagram, but then also I'm not getting this fucking feature. But then also I have tested this on one of my friend phone, and yeah, it's working. And yeah, so let's get started. So guys, it is very simple. So first of all, what you need to do is, now let's first of all just go ahead and just go ahead to your airplane mode itself. So make sure that everything has been disconnected, and just go ahead and click on airplane mode and just screenshot it. That's it. So of course the same feature was rolled up in Snapchat also, but then also if you try to do the screenshot with this method also, like the airplane mode, then also it will of course send the notification. And I know that Instagram will of course fix this up. So then also there is a very really simple method, guys. So what you need to do is just go ahead and open your Chrome itself, and just go ahead and go to the Instagram from the Chrome website itself. Let me just close this up, and as you could see, this is my Instagram. And make sure that you have connected to the internet. It really doesn't matter. And yeah, so once you're there, just go ahead and tap on any of the story. And now let me just click on here, and it will basically open up the story itself, as you could see. Now if you want, you will just go ahead and screenshot it, and of course it will not send the notification, so because we are out of from the app itself. So this was the simple method, guys, about how you could basically screenshot. So this was the simple method, guys, about how you could basically screenshot without notifying the user, and you could bypass this feature. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this small trick is really helpful. For more videos like this, go ahead and check my channel for more. See you in my next video. This is your host Mr. Master, signing out.